Welcome fellas into this new video of TechExpress. If you wanted to see how we can get started to adding your Google AdSense directly to your Wix website, you are into the right place. So you have built a beautiful Wix site, but what you wanted to do is to now link your element into Wix. Before we start these two rules, you must have a Wix premium account or a studio plan and a custom domain connected, because Google will not approve sites on a wixsite.com. So we need to have an actual full website in order to continue. So connecting your AdSense, the fastest way is the Wix Monetize and the AdSense application. You wanted to search that for it directly into your own website. Let's say, for example, to go for the option that says tap and add it directly here into my Wix account. So what I needed to do, of course, is to look for into the left section, the section that says applications, and go for the app market. Directly here into the app market, what I can do is to look out for the actual AdSense, or just type the word Google. But what here directly here into Google, we have, for example, Google Ads, we have the Google in YouTube, and there's so much more. Usually what I do is to just type the word Google AdSense, and here we have, for example, to get Google Ads plus retargeting. So I'm gonna search this into the marketplace, and just like that, we will be showing me here the Google and the YouTube. So what I need to do is to make sure that here directly into the Google ad, I have this element, get Google Ads by retargeting. Now this, for example, it's by clicking. You wanted, of course, to download out the version that is from Google totally for free, so you wanted to download out this anymore. So to add this element, what you need to do is to go directly here into the AdSense. What I need to do is to, let's go for resubmit. And what I need to do is to get started with following the steps to earn with ads. First of all, I needed to go to add my own site. So here, for example, what I need to do is to delete a few sites that I currently have. Go for a site. And here into my elements up into the Wix, for example, what I needed to do is to go directly into my home dashboard and check out what is the actual site that we currently have. Now this one is a TechExpressVideo.wixsite.com. This is not recommended because, once again, this won't be working a lot. So in my case, it should be, for example, .techexpressvideos.com, not website, not that element. So in my case, what I need to do is to delete this site and hit for save. Then we have to check out the actual payments elements, and we have now connect my AdSense. So hit for the option that says let's go. When you have now selected that element, usually it's going to be asking you for a few questions before we continue with this element. Basically, you have, for example, to verify the ownership with the Wix. You have completed the setup here to Wix. You request for the actual review of your account, and you can create a consent message for the actual site that we are. Use Google CMP to create a message, or to create a message with three choices, or adopt an alternative CMP to certificate by the actual Google. When you have now selected that element, what's going to be happening here is that they're going to be checking out your website in, let's say, tell you in a few days if you're now able to make the verification with Google AdSense or not. Then directly here into the Google site is going to appear in here the site URL, where you have now the verification of your site ownership and review site quested. Directly inside here, what you can do now is to start earning money. The last thing that I can tell you is that if Wix didn't work for you, you can try it out with Blogger. Blogger is an actual place where you can start making some actual blogs totally for free. And what you can do is to start earning money here into Blogger by doing exactly the same thing, which is, for example, here into the settings section, just focus for the option that says earning. Connect your AdSense directly here into Blogger, and this will make things really easily. And just like that, it will be appearing to your actual site of Blogger directly in here, and you don't have to worry about paying directly here into Wix and earning money. You can do it directly here into Blogger, but that's totally up to you. So with this being said, we have reached the very end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully guys, we can all see you next time.